Hey everybody, I'm Yvonne Williams with Back to Earth Creations, and this year my partners and I are hosting the 10-year anniversary of the Memphis Comic and Fantasy Convention's costume contest. And we are really excited to invite you guys to come and participate. As you can see here, we have a lot of prizes provided by our very generous sponsors. Epoxy sculpt products from Ava's Studio, which are phenomenal for all sorts of different costume and cosplay applications. Kits from Tandy Leather, complete start to finish projects that you can do on your own or with friends for our group cosplay contestants. We also have a ton of stuff from Plaid Cosplay. So we have their leather studio dyes, we have their color shift and brushed metal acrylic paints, a bunch of brushes and different things, all sorts of stuff. We also have gift certificates from Arta Wigs, so you can get a wig to match, the rest of your costume and stuff. But it's a lot of different prizes that are available to contestants of all ages and skill levels. We have everything from youth and group divisions up to, novice, journeyman, masterclass, all of that. So be sure to check out the rules and regulations that will be up on the MCFC website. There should be links or something somewhere. It's basic stuff like no projectiles, no smoke machines, or anything that's going to leave a mess, no confetti, no loud noises or super stroby flashing lights and stuff. So be sure to check that out and make sure that your costume fits within the confines of the contest. Basically, if it doesn't fit on stage and leaves a huge mess, and also, sign-up sheets will be out Friday morning at the registration table where you pick up or purchase your badge, and prejudging starts Saturday. So be sure to like and follow on your favorite social media the MCFC page, and that way you can stay up to date, and be sure to go and get your badges. That way you can be all prepared for coming and competing in this year's costume contest. So if you have any questions, just pop us a message and we'll try our best to get back to you as soon as possible. And until then, you guys, happy crafting, and we will see you at MCFC. So until next time, bye.